A really easy activity that you can do with your child at home is something like a sink and float activity. What do you think? Sink or float? Float? Okay, are you sure? What's important is before you actually get your child to drop it in the water is to ask them to predict what they think will happen. Do you think it will sink or float? Then obviously they can carry out the experiment. We thought the flower would float, huh? And what else is at the bottom? The car.
The car, yes.
Oh, and what's happening with the toilet roll? If you as a parent haven't got the same level of English as your child, you could let your child lead the activity, and maybe that's a nice way of interacting and learning from your child.